Good afternoon.
Hello and welcome to ИнстаФорекс Economic News TV channel with us, Anna Kasatkina
And Takhmina Salomova.
You are watching the weekly currency and commodity market review.
So what developments were in focus on the currency market last week?
The euro closed high against the US dollar.
And what factors offered support to the single European currency?
Statistical data from the United States turned out to be rather disappointing and failed to provide upward momentum to the US dollar. The euro eased on Friday but managed to end the week on bullish note even though downbeat economic reports from the Eurozone put negative pressure on the European currency. The euro versus American dollar pair surged from 1.1146, the opening price seen last Monday, to 1.1255 in late deals on Friday, aiding as much as 109 pips for the week. The greenback stayed under pressure during the whole week, pushed lower by the stronger euro and reaching its weekly low around 1.1100 levels on Monday. According to fresh figures provided by the University of Michigan on Friday, the U.S. Consumer Confidence Index dropped to 90.7 in February from 92.0 in the previous month. Analysts had expected the indicator to remain broadly unchanged. Moreover, U.S. retail sales climbed to 0.2% in January, beating the forecast for a 0.1% gain. A separate report showed that the Eurozone's GDP expanded by 0.3% in the fourth quarter, in line with expectations. On a year-over-year basis, gross domestic product in the region added 1.5%. Moreover, the GDP figures released on Friday indicated that the German economy was able to meet the forecast as it grew by 0.3% from October to December. At the same time, Germany's annual economic growth rate came in worse than expected, printing a 2.1% expansion instead of 2.3%. Yet another report revealed that the Eurozone's industrial output shrank by 1% against the projected 0.3% rise. The Japanese yen staged an impressive rally in the past week as mounting concerns of global economic health reigned in broad risk aversion, driving investors into safe haven assets. The yen strengthened versus its USP, reaching 113.22 at Friday close. The American dollar versus Japanese yen pair dipped to 111.00 levels on Thursday, trading around the lowest level since October 2014. The Japanese currency rose by 3.71 yen for the week. Analysts said that the negative interest rate policy adopted by the Bank of Japan failed to produce the desired effect, as Japanese policymakers viewed the national currency's depreciation as a way to boost inflation and encourage consumer spending. Some traders believe that the US dollar may fall to 110 yen if risk appetite continues to deteriorate. That was all about exchange rate movements on Forex.
Thank you for the currency pairs overview, Takhmina.
You are welcome, Anna. What was new on the commodity front on Friday?
The market saw a spike in interest towards crude contracts among oil traders. Gold buyers stepped up their purchasing activity on Thursday, sending prices up to fresh highs.
What influenced these trends?
Market speculation of a possible coordinated output cut by OPEC producers had a positive effect on oil dynamic. On Friday, futures for the North Sea benchmark Brent crude soared by 11%. However, the price still remains near its 13-year lows. Brent for April settlement advanced to $32.78 per barrel on the London-based ICE Futures Europe exchange, recording a gain of 11% on the day. Even so, Brent contracts logged a weekly loss of 2.9%. On the New York Mercantile Exchange, WTI futures for delivery in March were trading at $29.44 per barrel, adding more than 12%. However, West Texas Intermediate crude oil still suffered a weekly fall of 4.7%. The gold market ended the past week on a strong footing, with yellow metal putting in a strong performance against the backdrop of higher demand for safe haven assets, fueled by the recent tumble across global stock markets. Gold prices ended Friday's trades at $1,238.40 per troy ounce. An ounce of the precious metal skyrocketed by $53.20, hitting the strongest levels since last February, around $1,260.60. Gold clocked a gain of 7.1% by the end of the week, marking the best weekly performance since early December of 2008. Meanwhile, stock indices in a number of developed countries dived into a bearish territory amid panic sentiment prevailing among investors in equity markets worldwide. At times like this, many market participants typically turn to gold as a safe haven investment instrument.
Anna, thank you for the commodity market overview.
You're welcome.
You have been watching the weekly currency and commodity market review on ИнстаФорекс TV.
It was presented to you by us, Takhmina Salomova
And Anna Kasatkina.
Have a nice day. Bye.
See you.